The UN has estimated that 450,000 people have fled their homes since the fighting began. What sort of assistance are people who have been displaced inside Sudan received?
I mean, the numbers start to become quite staggering when we look at them, but prior to this latest conflict, there were approximately 3 million people in Sudan had been displaced internally due to conflict. And CARE International, along with many NGOs, have been providing assistance to that population. So it's an extension of that work that we provide. There are some areas that we can access and provide healthcare, food supplies, water, sanitation. Those are the kind of things that we would normally be supplying for internally displaced populations. And some agencies are able to do that. One of the facets of Sudan's context is that it's quite a rigorously controlled access system that you have, with government needing to approve each and every agency access to different locations in the country. Where we have been able to access this for new displaced populations, you can see effective provision of that. But we are trying to work alongside the UN to be reducing these bureaucratic impediments and give us more agility to providing assistance as and where it's needed.
How is Sudan's crisis now spreading out and affecting its neighbours, many of whom were already dealing with food insecurity and political crises?
No, this is a great concern to us as CARE International and other NGOs. I think we've got good, strong relationships now working with the UN and local authorities to look at how we can be responding, for example, in countries like Chad, where we provide fresh water, sanitation facilities for those incoming refugees. But it is going to be a problem. We're just coming up to one of the main growing seasons in this region. To have large amounts of populations moving around there, and when they're moving, they don't have the ability to grow food for themselves, is going to be a challenge. And both within the borders of Sudan and outside the borders of Sudan, we see the next 6 weeks as being absolutely critical in setting up that agricultural season for maximum productivity.